just tell us a little bit about what's different about the intensive night repair serum and who would benefit more from using this liquid gold product? We've formulated it with such high percentages of active ingredients. We've got 14% glycolic in there. We've got 1% vitamin A. We've got 5% niacinamide in there. Now those three elements of that formulation are what's going to plump and brighten the skin. And as we get older, the skin becomes very collagen depleted. So it's really essential that we work with ingredients that are going to stimulate the production of collagen. This product actually entices the collagen fibers to reproduce what traditionally the body would think about slowing down. And you will get an element of warming to the skin. You're going to get a little bit of a tingle. But what that's doing is it's encouraging the production of collagen. And studies right around the world say that glycolic is the only ingredient that's going to give that level of stimulation in order for the body to produce that collagen. And the fact that we're working with niacinamide now, which is your B3, that's that plumping element. B3 is what a lot of makeup companies work with when they put it into their plumping lip glosses. With our busy lifestyles, more and more women are grabbing that high sugar drink. More and more women are grabbing food on the go that is high in sugar. And what that's starting to present is rapid aging, skin that's aging before its time. Because what actually happens is when we have a lot of sugar in our bloodstream, the sugar attaches itself to the collagen and starts to break it down. So these ingredients that we're working with actually help to repair that damage, but also ensure that that damage is not going to be ongoing by supporting the collagen and manufacturing new collagen. One of the things with this serum is that, in terms of fitting it into a nighttime routine, the liquid gold, the original liquid gold formula, you would use on its own. How would you use that night repair serum? Well, we really encourage our customers to use it on the nights that they don't use the original liquid gold because you can use them together on those different nights because they both have very different functions. One is a refining, renewing treatment, an overnight peel, where this one is more a restorative treatment. It's putting back into the skin what we lose throughout the day, what we lose with the natural aging process. All we're doing is accelerating and putting back in what we're rapidly, losing, and what we see, as we do get a little bit older.